Oh, thank good. Oh.
Eric, pull!
Watch out, Riley. Get behind the tree.
Oh, we got it planted in a new spot. It's just standing there.
Eric need to, instead of Riley, I think he's over too much.
Pull it this way.
Oh, Mike. Eric, pull. Eric's way back behind the
Oh,
house.
there's a limb that's hanging it up, I think.
Oh.
Oh, crap.
It's all right, Zoe.
That's funny that she... Move.
Whoa. Hey, guys, get out of there.
Back there?
Yeah, try to open the fence so they can run farther. The fence probably isn't open.
Oh, this is the exciting part. Mike, move.
Everybody have a limb?
Wow.
Okay, the tree does it.